If you're building your own PC or upgrading your setup, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to install the Corsair RM750 PSU and connect all the cables to your motherboard and components. The Corsair RM750 PSU is a great choice for your build. 750 watts of reliable power, fully modular design, and 80 plus cold efficiency. Let's get started with the installation so you can power up your PC like a pro. First, unbox the Corsair RM750 PSU and check what comes inside the box. You should find the PSU itself, a power cord, and a selection of modular cables. The modular cables means you only use the cables you need, helping to keep your build neat and tidy. Make sure everything is there before you begin. Now, to install the PSU into your case. For this, make sure your case is ready for a bottom-mounted PSU, as that's the typical installation for the Corsair RM750. Line up the PSU with the mounting holes at the back of your case. Once lined up, insert the PSU with the fan facing down or facing up. Secure it in place with the screws provided. Next, start connecting the cables to the PSU. Begin with the 24-pin ATX cable. This cable is the main power connector for your motherboard. Find the 24-pin ATX cable, which is usually a long cable with a wide connector. Plug this into the 24-pin connector on the PSU. It's a secure connection and you should hear a click once it's fully started. Now, connect the CPU to power cable. Take the 4+4 pin power cable and connect to the Corsair RM750. This powers your motherboard CPU socket. Next, if you're using a dedicated GPU, you'll need to connect power to your graphics card. The Corsair RM750 PSU has two 6+2 PCIe power cables for this purpose. Now, if you have SATA devices like SSDs or hard drives, you'll need to connect the power to those as well. Some builds may require Molex power cables for older devices or even additional cooling devices that require 4-pin connectors. These are optional, so only use them if your build needs them. Now, lastly, cable management and tidying up must be done. Alright, now everything is connected and your cables are all neatly routed. It's time for the moment of truth. Plug in your power cable table. Turn on your power supply switch and hit that power button. Check to make sure everything's powered up correctly. And that's it. That's how you install the Corsair RM750 PSU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.